Maintaining proper tire pressure is the easiest way to improve gas mileage and keep your family safe on the road. First up, the Etenwolf T300 is a powerhouse for those who demand industrial grade precision. It solves the problem of unreliable readings with its ANSI B40.7 grade 2A calibration, ensuring accuracy within 0.5%. This vivid orange gauge features a built-in AI chip for thermal compensation, meaning it stays accurate whether you are in a freezing blizzard or a desert heat wave. It measures up to 200 psi, making it versatile enough for everything from your daily driver to heavy-duty trailers. I love that it uses replaceable A batteries rather than niche button cells, and the integrated LED light is a lifesaver when you're checking valves in a dark parking lot. If you want a rugged, high visibility tool that works in extreme weather, this is your best bet. Next, at number 2, we have the AstroAI Digital Tire Pressure Gauge, which is a fantastic everyday companion for any glove box. It eliminates the frustration of squinting at tiny analog needles thanks to its bright backlit LCD and illuminated nozzle. This tool is perfect for the average driver because it offers 4 different measurement units with a simple one-button operation. It is calibrated to within 1 psi, providing the dependability you need for monthly safety checks or long road trips. The auto-off feature is a smart touch, ensuring the batteries don't die while it's sitting in your center console. Imagine pulling into a dark gas station at night. The lighted tip makes finding the valve stem effortless without needing a separate flashlight. Now for number 3, we are looking at the Etenwolf Analog Gauge, designed for those who prefer a classic battery-free experience. This heavy-duty tool solves the dead battery anxiety once and for all, while maintaining a high level of accuracy at 1% of the span. It features a large 2-inch glow-in-the-dark dial, which is incredibly helpful for late-night maintenance when you don't want to fumble with electronics. The 360-degree swivel chuck is a standout feature, allowing you to get a perfect seal on the valve from any awkward angle. This is ideal for motorcycle or ATV owners who have tight spaces around their wheels. It's built to last in extreme temperatures, making it a reliable mechanical partner for any garage setup. Coming in at number 4 is the Etenwolf Pencil Gauge 2-pack, offering a durable, old-school solution with a modern twist. This set solves the problem of needing different gauges for different vehicles by providing 2 separate ranges, 1050 psi for cars and 120 psi for high-pressure RV or truck tires. These are constructed from solid stainless steel and zinc alloy, meaning they are virtually indestructible and won't rust over time. A huge bonus is the inclusion of 16 spare valve caps, which is perfect since those always seem to go missing during maintenance. You can easily clip one to your pocket like a pen while you're working around the shop. It's the ultimate no-nonsense tool for someone who wants a permanent, battery-free solution for their entire fleet. Next, at number 5, the AstroAI Pencil Gauge 2-pack provides a rugged and portable option for those on a budget. These gauges are specifically designed to be maintenance-free, using a stainless steel body that resists corrosion in salty or wet environments. They feature an integrated deflator valve, which is incredibly handy if you accidentally overfill your tires and need to bleed off a few pounds of pressure quickly. With a range up to 75 psi, they are perfect for bicycles, passenger cars, and light SUVs. The pocket clip and slim profile mean you can keep one in your tool belt or even a kitchen drawer for quick checks. It's a reliable set-it-and-forget-it tool that ensures you're never caught without a way to check your air. Moving to number 6, the Etenwolf T600 takes digital precision to a professional level with its flexible rubber hose design. This gauge solves the struggle of reaching hidden or recessed valve stems thanks to its 360-degree rotating angled air chuck. It is incredibly accurate, calibrated to grade 2A standards, and features a streamlined one-button interface that handles everything from power to unit switching. The rubber hose adds a layer of comfort, as you don't have to hold the entire device against the wheel while reading the screen. It's powered by standard AA batteries, making it very easy to maintain over years of use. This is the perfect choice for a car enthusiast who wants a shop quality tool that feels substantial and premium in the hand. Now for number 7, the AstroAI inflator gauge is a 3-in-1 powerhouse for anyone who owns an air compressor. This tool solves the annoying check, fill, check again cycle by allowing you to inflate, deflate, and measure pressure all with one trigger. It features a large 2.5-inch glow dial that is easy to read even in a dim garage. The heavy-duty stainless steel and brass construction ensures it can handle the rigors of a busy workshop without failing. It's compatible with 1/4-inch NPT fittings, so it snaps right onto your existing air hose setup. If you're tired of swapping between an inflator and a separate gauge while topping off your tires before a trip, this multifunction tool will save you a ton of time. Coming in at number 8 is the AstroAI Digital Gauge 2-pack, which is the perfect his and hers solution for a 2-car household. These gauges take the guesswork out of analog scales by providing instant, clear digital readings in 0.1 increments. They are designed with an ergonomic grip and a lighted nozzle, making them very user-friendly for people who might struggle with traditional gauges. By keeping your tires properly inflated with these, you'll significantly reduce tire wear and improve your vehicle's handling. They work on everything from bicycles to trucks, and the 150 psi range covers almost any consumer application. It's a great gift idea for a new driver or anyone who wants a simple, effective way to stay safe on the road. Next, at number 9, we have the AstroAI Digital Inflator, which offers massive range and high-tech features for demanding users. This tool is a beast, measuring up to 250 psi with a display resolution of 0.1, making it suitable for heavy-duty RVs and commercial trucks. It solves the problem of battery drain with an auto-off feature and includes a built-in air bleeder valve for precise pressure adjustments. The construction uses heavy-duty brass and stainless steel, so it's built to survive drops on a concrete garage floor. It's professionally calibrated to stay within just a percent of your actual pressure, which is vital when you're hauling heavy loads. This is the go-to tool for the serious DIYer who wants the fastest and most accurate inflation process possible. And finally, number 10 is the AstroAI Heavy Duty Digital Gauge, specifically engineered for the unique needs of RV and truck owners. It solves the visibility problem with a vibrant green backlit LCD and an integrated flashlight, which is essential when you're checking inner dually tires at a truck stop at night. The stainless steel head is designed to form a perfect seal on high pressure valves, up to 230 psi. Its ergonomic non-slip texture ensures you can get a firm grip, even if your hands are greasy or you're wearing gloves. This is a specialized tool for those who drive larger vehicles and need a gauge that can handle higher pressures than a standard car unit. It's durable, easy to operate, and provides the peace of mind needed for long-haul journeys. Make sure to check the links in the description below to find the best deals on all the gauges we covered today. If this video helped you pick the right tool for your garage, please subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss our latest automotive gear reviews. I want to hear from you, so comment below and tell me which gauge you're adding to your glove box or what product you want me to test next. Thanks for watching, and keep those tires aired up for a smooth ride.